There are two versions of testing your DNA with MyHeritage. By the way, this is no commercial, I'm not a partner of MyHeritage, but anyways, I like great genes, and maybe you like great genes too, and maybe you wanna know which results of your DNA testing might be matching with the, well, cultures you think of be part of your being, your existence. There are two versions, I said, and the older version of testing your DNA used by MyHeritage was the version 0.95, and you can see the old results of my testing back then in the year 2023. These are 39% English, 30% East European, then nearly 18% Baltic, and nearly 12% Iberian. But something changed. They used the old kit and used their newer version of testing this kit with the version 2.5. Let's check the video. And well, let's check the results. And you have seen East European, 35%. You have seen Germanic. It's not Deutsch, it's Germanic maybe. 31%, 32% nearly. Then Danish is or genes of the people of Denmark, if you want to say in that way, is nearly 14%. Then the Netherlands, nearly 9%. Then Baltic, of course, yes, 6%. And again English, 4%. But yeah, it's the old test, the old kit I sent over there. But anyways, you can see, and I think the common ancestor of England, of Denmark, Germany, Netherlands is the Anglo-Saxons. I think my gene pool here, you can see here, this is just because all these countries here, these groups here, have one common ancestor, and that is Anglo-Saxons. If you want to check your own DNA, you can test MyHeritage by yourself. I'm not partnered with it, but there are a lot of YouTubers on a regular basis partnered with MyHeritage. Have a nice week. See ya.